आप देख रहे हैं रोशन पाकिस्तान न्यूज।
But obviously, if you have questions later on, so I'll be happy to take them. I thought this was the right moment to acknowledge the support that Sri Lanka cricket has given to us as Pakistan cricket. This was a very, very important tour for us. And I'm very grateful to Minister Haran Fernando, uh, uh, Shami Silva and Mohan De Silva for the way they've supported Pakistan cricket. They have been absolutely exceptional in their support for Pakistan and for Pakistan cricket. They knew how important it was for this tour to take place. So I'm really, sir, very grateful to you for doing this and to you, Shami. Without your support, this tour would not have been possible. Um, Cricket today is, there's no, it's so important that the game wins over any threats and terrorism and so on. We've seen this in Christchurch recently, that was terrible. There were incidences in Sri Lanka, but these can happen anywhere in the world. The main thing is that the security and safety of the players cannot be compromised. So it was important that the Sri Lankan board was comfortable, and I'm very grateful to the security delegation that came to Pakistan, and Mr. Mohan De Silva, who's now the honorary secretary of the board, and was formerly a chairman of the board of Sri Lanka, came to Pakistan with security consultants and did an extensive review, not only in Karachi but also Lahore. They were satisfied. We've since then had other people who've come from Australia, and we've got people coming from a couple of other countries, and the feedback we're getting is positive. But it was so important for us as Pakistan for this tour to take place. Sri Lanka has a special place in our hearts. They suffered here in Pakistan. We must never forget that. And for them to come is a great, great act of courage for them to come forward and support Pakistan cricket. So I just want, in front of all of you, I wanted to acknowledge this. It is an exceedingly important series for Pakistan, and inshallah we'll build from this and go from strength to strength, so that all our cricket is played in this country. You've already seen that even on a Monday,